Hey. Okay. I'm going to try something here real quickly, guys, okay? And I'm going to present. Cancel. Okay, are you able to see my paper?
Yep.
Fantastic. Okay, so the first thing you did was pull the 6x out, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And what did you have after that?
6x.
Oop.
2x.
Squared?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Negative 3x.
Good.
And negative 2.
Okay. So now we have to factor this into two sets of parentheses. So the x, or the diamond I was talking about here, we have to take 2 times negative 2. Do you remember that? To get negative 4? So we're going to pretend like this. Here, I'll use a different color. We're going to pretend like the 6x doesn't even matter at this point, okay? And then the negative 3 goes at the bottom, and you told me it was negative 4 and positive 1, correct? Do you remember what to do from there?
Not really.
Okay, so remember we have to rewrite this without the negative 3x. So I've got 2x squared as my first corner of my box. And then negative 2 is the last corner. And then I replace it with the middle of my x. So I have negative 4x and positive 1x. Do you remember doing something like that? Have you done something like this before? Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so then what do these two boxes have in common?
Both have. You can multiply both by 2.
Okay. What else?
They both have x.
Perfect. Okay. What do these two things have in common?
1.
And it's
multiply them by 1.
Good. And it's positive 1. How about these two?
Both positive 1x.
Good. We'll just put an x, okay? How about these two?
Both negative 2.
Good. Okay. So in my parentheses here, I've got 2x plus 1. I've got x minus 2. And then my 6x comes back out front. Oh, no, it's not. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so when you're typing that into the computer, it's going to want you to type in your 6x out front, right? So 6x will go in the first box. Now, which one of these two have I asked you guys to write first? The smaller one, right?
Yeah, the smaller one.
Yep. So I think on the one you were working on, there was already an X there and there wasn't a box for you to write anything, correct?
Oh, that was supposed to be 1x.
Yep. So you just leave that alone. And then the box behind it would be your negative 2. And then you'll have 2x in the next box and then positive 1 in your last box.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep, thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
So I do the same thing for number 5?
Yep, let's do it. Why don't you give me the problem? We'll do it together.
Okay, so 75x with the power thing.
Okay, what's your power?
2.
All right.
Negative 130x.
Oops. All right.
And plus 40.
And what do those three things have in common?
4.
I don't think... Were you going to say something different? Okay, 4 will not go into 75.
Oh wait, 5.
Okay, good. Do you have any idea what 75 divided by 5 is?
15.
Okay. How about 130 divided by 5?
26.
Yep, good. Plus 8? I got the easy one for you. Okay, so now we make the X or the diamond. Okay, what number goes on top, or how do I find the number? So we're looking at these. So we have to take the first times the last, so 15 times 8.
15 times
I think it's 120. Okay. And then what goes to the bottom?
Negative 26.
Yeah, good. All right. Now we have to figure out what multiplies to 120 and adds to negative 26.
So they're both negative.
Yep, good.
Negative 5 and negative 21.
5 times 21 is going to end in a 5. Let's do this. What goes into 120? 10 and,
yeah.
oh,
10 and 12.
10 and 12. Okay, that doesn't get us to 26. How about, could we use 5 here? So it'd be 5 and 24. We're getting closer. What goes into 24? We got 4 goes into 24. We got 6 goes into 24. We got 12 goes into there. 3, 2. So let's try 120 divided by 4.
30.
Okay. So if I have negative 30 and negative 4, that's negative 34. What's 120 divided by 6?
20.
Okay, and negative 20 and negative 6 is negative 26.
Oh, 26.
Yeah. Okay, so let's make our box. What goes into this first top corner up here?
Negative 6.
Well, those will go here. So we'll put negative 6x here. And what goes diagonal? Negative 20.
We get 20.
So that takes care of this part. So 15x squared is first. We put it down here first. 8's last. We put it last here. All right. What do these have in common?
1.
Something higher. I like to look at the smaller number, the 6, and find my factors of 6 and see if they go into 15. So what goes into 6?
3.
Yeah, good. Do we need an X or not?
Yes.
Okay. How about these two things?
4.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Negative. Your first box is negative. Yep. Okay, what do these two things have in common?
5.
X? All right, how about negative 6x and 8?
2x.
Can I pull an x out of 8?
Wait.
Nope, so just -2. Okay, so we've got what? 5x minus 2, 3x minus 4. I can't, there we go. Can you see it at the bottom there? And then we had what number out front? 5.
5.
Yep. Okay, so what's going to go in your first box when you put it in the computer?
5.
Good. How about your next box?
5x.
Careful though. Remember, between these two, which one do we have to do first?
Oh yeah, 3x.
Yep, good. So we're just going to put 3. Then what?
-4.
Yep.
And then -5. I mean 5x.
Remember the x is already there, so just do the 5.
And -2.
Yeah, good. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Any other questions?
Nope. I think that makes more sense.
Okay, so maybe the next time when you have questions, let's just figure out a time to do a Google Meet. Because I feel like that works way better than trying to email back and forth. Would you agree?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
So just let me know if you have questions and we'll do a Google Meet and we'll be good. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.